Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G60, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this Nokia. You need to begin by exiting Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on System section. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Debird. Finally, select Text Correction section over here and tap on this gray switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, the switcher turned blue. That means that automatic text correction is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!